We'll guide you through how to compare Dropbox and Mega to see which cloud storage service suits you best. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, go to the Dropbox website on your desktop. Sign in if you already have an account, or create a new one if you're just starting out. Once you're logged in, you'll see your dashboard. Dropbox offers a user-friendly interface with straightforward navigation. Take note of the storage limit for the free plan, which provides 2 gigabytes of storage. You can upgrade to a paid plan for more storage and additional features like advanced sharing controls and file recovery. Now, let's switch gears to Mega. Open the Mega website and create an account or log in if you already have one. Mega is known for its generous free storage, offering 20 gigabytes when you sign up. Navigate through the Mega interface, which is also intuitive, but you might find it a bit more complex due to its emphasis on security and privacy. Mega uses end-to-end encryption, which is a significant selling point if privacy is your top priority. Both services offer mobile apps, but since we're focusing on desktop, check out how each handles file uploads and sharing. Dropbox integrates well with third-party apps and services, which is great if you're already using other productivity tools. Mega, on the other hand, provides an encrypted chat service, which might be useful if you want to keep your communications private. Evaluate the pricing for additional storage if you think you'll need more than the free plan offers. Dropbox's paid plans start at a lower price point, but offer less storage compared to Mega's. Consider what features are most important for your needs, like collaboration tools, encryption, or storage capacity. Ultimately, the best choice depends on your specific requirements, whether it's seamless integration with other apps or maximum storage capacity with enhanced privacy. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.